Hey guys, my name is Steve and this is Wilmerwood Works. Gonna have a little bit of a different video today. Today we're gonna be talking about my good buddy Wally. So Wally is our Luba all-wheel drive robotic mower. Now, I got him about 2 years ago and he's been running okay. Actually, this is the second version I've got. The first one I had some issues with the lift motors. So I reached out to Mimotion, who quickly sent this replacement. The one I sent back had the Omni wheels and this one has the Gen 1 front wheels. And actually, kind of like this one better. This is doing much better in the soft, sugary sand of Florida that I am in, and it's been working nonstop since I got it, about 8 months or so. But I do have a problem, and I reached out to Mimotion, and they were nice enough to send me a lot of big packages. Now, I don't really need all of these packages, but so I don't really need all of these packages, but they were going to send me a free gift, and they were going to send me the little garage that Luba goes in, but they saw one of my videos and they're like, dude, you already made a garage, which looks super awesome, so we'll give you some blades. And I was like, look, if you're going to send me a garage, how about you send me a charger? Because my yard is blocked off by a gate, and having two chargers, even though I have to reposition the charger, it would be a lot helpful. This way I don't have to move him out every weekend to mow the front ungated yard. So that's what this big box is for. So let me get this down. And in here is the real reason why I reached out to them in the first place. So the issue that I had is these rubber gaskets. They're starting to fail. And that is, I think, what gave me that first issue. And they were also nice enough to send me new cutting discs. So we're going to install the new gaskets. I did get two, one for each lift motor. They sent 2 new cutting wheels and some new blades. So that's what we're going to cover today, how to replace these 2 gaskets on the lift motors with the cutting wheels and the blades, and we will try him out and make sure he is good to go. We may even reposition the new charging station. So let's get to it. Alright, so now we're just going to start by removing these cutting discs. I always like having these magnetic trays. Oh yeah, that's some nastiness. Nut, I should say. Alright, now that that is removed, we can remove this cover here. Remove the second cover here. Alright, now before you remove these gaskets, you are going to want to vacuum all of this out.
day later.
All right, welcome back to day 2 of our 20-minute repair. So, like most things, this kind of went off the rails pretty quick. I had some difficulty actually getting the case apart. So I reached out to Mimotion and said, look, do you have an illustrated parts diagram or installation video or something that could help me figure out how to crack the case? Literally crack this case apart so I can make the repair and change these rubber gaskets. And, you know, since starting YouTube, I've dealt a lot with people that are overseas, and it is great that the internet brings all communities together. However, sometimes it's like trying to talk to someone in a distant nebula because you send out your request and then you have to wait 24 hours for an answer. So that kind of communication does take a bit of a wait. But they replied to me and said, no, we do not have an exploded diagram and we do not have installation instructions for this part because we did not intend for anyone to ever service this in the field. So if you can't figure it out, feel free to send it back to us and we'll fix it for you. That wasn't an option. So after a little bit of more research, which honestly I probably should have done before I started this, I found a great channel out there. They're Robotic Mowers Australia YouTube channel out there, and they go over great detail on how to do some basic repairs, such as replacing this gasket. So I'll say right now, moving forward, this is for entertainment purposes. If you want to actually do this repair, go watch their video. I'll put a link and I'll reference them in this video. But thank God I found their channel. Actually, I found their website. I couldn't even find their YouTube channel. I found their website, which had their YouTube videos. I watched a few of those multiple times, so now I am clear. The only thing that made me very nervous was clear, and in every single video, they say, under no circumstances are you to ever remove these 3 screws, or 6 screws, 3 on this side, 3 on that side. And I did. Luckily, since I couldn't get this case apart, it didn't have any repercussions. So we are going to, I reinstalled those, but I did end up stripping out a few screws, removing those, and I did reach out to Mimotion, and they're like, look, after you're done working on it, tell us what you did and we will do our best to either tell you the sizing or send you a few. So 3 of them are actually the same screw that is used to hold the discs to this piece. So I'm hoping that they can send me that, or maybe they're even in with the blades, hopefully. So with all that said, let's crack the case. So just this white part comes up, and you have to be careful when you pick this up because there are some ribbons. Yes, so there is. Now let me move the camera here. Like I said, if you want detailed installation, this is, yeah, you see this boot has already been failing a little bit because you can see all the dirt in here. So we should be able to just pull both of these, remove this ribbon, and then they said that there's this antenna wire. So I'm going to want to pull that antenna, and now I can actually remove this whole top unit. And I'm going to have to clean that out. Yeah, that's nasty in there. Okay, so what I have to be careful of is this is an antenna wire right here. So this goes down to this board, and over here is the other antenna wire. And these have like this epoxy on them, which is excellent. And I don't want to touch too much in here because I don't want to, I mean, everything is already dirty. But I have to lift this spring off with these 6 Allen keys. So I'm going to do that, and hopefully I have the right Allen key. Should be this guy here. Okay, that one's broken free. That one's broken free. You want to be very careful of this board up here too. That one's broken free. All right, guys, so that is my repair of the rubber gaskets on the Luba all-wheel drive robotic mower. Is a robot mower right for everybody? The answer is yes, pretty much, unless you've got an extreme amount of land. I've got an acre of land and it takes care of everything. If you have obstacles and things like that, maybe, or a lot of trees, I've heard that if you have a lot of trees, I've got 44 palm trees, but if you have high coverage trees that really block the sun, you may have communication errors or issues. Is repairing a robotic mower for everybody? No, it is not for the faint of heart. If you don't feel comfortable opening a device that you have no idea how it works and tinkering around, I unfortunately have that blind confidence that I think that I could just repair everything. And luckily I was able to repair this and get this back together, and he is doing a great job cutting the lawn already. I'm going to reposition the charging station that Mimotion was nice enough to send to me so that he can be outside the gate and do all of this while I sleep. Yeah, so now all I have to do is reposition his base station going in or out of the fence, and I should be good to go. All right, guys, I know this is a little bit different than my normal videos, but I know I put some videos of the Luba out there because I just love the product. I'm going to put a link to it in the description below, so if you want to check it out, feel free to click on that link. I do get a small affiliate commission. And thank you again to Mimotion for being so kind and patient with their support, which has always been there. I've never had an issue with their support. You just have to be patient because the replies take a day. As long as you're okay with that, you're good to go. Till next time, my name is Steve. Appreciate you guys watching. Check out some of the other videos.